everybody, today is December 26th. Now we introduce our new machine, automatic KF94 mass packing machine. Let's check the finish sample. You can see it is use this bag to pack it. This is for crayon mask KF94. You can see clearly. And this machine is automatic, put the mask into the bag and hot heat the ceiling. This is the ceiling machine, hot ceiling, and the temperature from the max temperature is 300 degrees. And usually we set to 250 degrees to 300 degrees. Okay, let's start to introduce the first step. One labor sit down here and to get the mask from the automatic 1+1 KF94 mask machine, and then put mask into the box like this, and then use hand to put the mask into this part, and then get this plate to the machine. You can see it is very easy to get. It is very easy to get out and put the plate on the machine. We have this part total 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in the machine and 4 for you to put the mask. So you can be ready to put a full mask onto the machine. It is very easy. And then when you have mask in this plate, you can touch this button. Wait 10 green. Here will give a signal to the machine. They already have mask, and it can start to work. And then this plate can automatic to put the mask up to the top plate, and use this part to get the mask. When the mask up to here, and this part to get the mask from this position to here, and then moving, and then fitting the mask to here. Fitting mask to here. Then you have a rubber to get the mask to here. You can see get a mask to here, and automatic to put the mask into the bag. Okay, you can see this part can rotate to turn around. To open the bag and put the mask into the bag. This also four parts. You can see. You can see here is 4 stock box. 1, 2, 3, 4 to put the mask bag in here. We can put this box can put the total 800 piece bag, but we advise you put just 400 because it is very for the new bag it is very close. You need to lose it, and you can see here have a metal plate. Can automatic follow down. When the bag is less, and it's automatic to follow down. Okay, Okay, you can see when the machine open this plate automatically, this clip can move into the bag like this. This plate, this clip move to here and put the mask to the bag. You can see learn how to practice plate to shake the back and the top, and then put the mask into the bag and automatic running to here to the heat to the hot sealing machine, and then like finish sample is like this. This machine speed is 70 to 80 pieces in 1 minute. Okay, we can check the electric box. This machine is total 9 pieces small motor, 3 Panasonic, 1, 2, 3. This Japanese brand Panasonic, and other 6 piece small motor is China brand Hechan small motor, and we use Xinjie PLC, and every cable we use the cold tube. You can see. So if machine have problem in future, you can easy to find which cable have problem. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.